Welcome to another ADHD Customs. Today's video is about the B3 Passat estate and the brilliant car that it is. Or maybe not. Today's video was supposed to be about me changing this door handle. This one here, because it's broke, look, comes out, you can't open the door anymore. Door handle's completely buggered, look, you have to whack it back in. So I've got myself a lovely new door handle in here. Look at this. Actually, you know what, let's not look at this, because this can just be chucked in there. You know why? Because of this. See all the oil down there? Don't know if you can see it down there. There's oil down there, there's oil under the car. Well, yesterday when I came out of work, I put it in gear and I heard this clunk as I was pulling away. I thought nothing of it. I carried on driving all the way home, which was about 15 miles home. And as I was driving home, I started to get a smell of gearbox oil. I pulled into a petrol station to have a look at what was going on, and pretty much every piece of, or every drop of gearbox oil was pouring out of the bell housing. So I'm thinking I've cracked the block of the gearbox. So I need a new gearbox, which is not what I wanted on my new daily that I was meant to be using as a daily. So yes, so not going to be much going on with the Passat at the moment because I need to get myself a gearbox, but then we will be doing a gearbox video. So this is just an update really on the B3. Still in love with the car, still a brilliant car. You know, still in love with it, still want to do this door handle, but there's no point right now. The weird thing is, it still drives absolutely fine. I drove all the way home with no gearbox oil. So, first thing I need to do is, I need to clear out all the crap in my workshop, get this in there, start taking this gearbox out. Not sure when I'm going to have time to do that, maybe next weekend or the one after. And start getting a new gearbox in it. So that's that. That's the update on the B3 Passat. Gearbox shit its pants everywhere. But it's weird. I knew it was coming. I kind of knew it was coming. As soon as I bought the car, within a week, I could hear. Do you know, sometimes it takes you a while to get used to noises of a car. After a week of driving, well, it was less than a week, I started to realise that between 40 and 70, like I think I said on one of the other videos, there was that wah, 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 wah noise. Well, I was right. Always trust your senses, because turns out, I don't even know what's wrong. I don't even know what's happened, but it turns out something went bang and put a hole in the gearbox. Yet it still drives fine. No idea. But yeah, need a new gearbox, so I'm looking for one. The joys of it, eh? But anyway, have a good weekend, peeps, and check out my other video I just uploaded today of my new rear lights on the T4. It's good.